Hi guys, welcome back on Tech 8. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a fast fix or an in-depth tutorial. We are here to make problem solving easy for you. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to make your account private on Snapchat. First of all, you can open the Snapchat application. I can already open the app, and now you can tap on profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it. After tapping on it, you can go to the settings at the top right corner of the screen and make sure if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do. Trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. Now continue the video. You can just simply scroll down here. Here you can see the option contacts. Tap on it. After tapping on contacts, you can now tap on see contacts shared with Snapchat, and after this you can see the option view contacts. You can just simply remove sync contacts from Snapchat, and after this you can go back at the tapping on arrow at the top left of the screen. After this you can just simply go to the use my Bitmoji avatar, tap on it, and you can just simply tap on only me. Go back. You can now tap on data saver, and here you can just simply disable this option, and after this you can option see my location. You can just simply disable the ghost mode. After disabling the ghost mode, you can just simply select the option my friends, and after this the account is private on Snapchat. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.